to Adventure in Art. My name is Ben Staley, your resident talking head. This is my 4th trip to New York City. I love coming here. Every time has been a completely different adventure. I hope I get to keep coming here yearly for the rest of my life. It's funny because I didn't plan it this way, but my last video was all film shot in Africa. It was color film. Now here we are in New York City, which is in a lot of ways very much as wild as Africa. Dangerous, very dangerous, potentially deadly, but in different ways. And here I shot only black and white film. Whereas the African video was captured over the space of 2 months, this video is 2 days. 2 days in New York City. I was there for a speaking gig. I walked around for 2 days and shot only film. There's something special about only shooting film, and I've arrived at the realization that when I go somewhere, I don't do good work, either film or digital, if I'm switching back and forth between the two. But when I only carry my film camera, my Leica M6, I get much better images. I like the images I get if that's all I'm focused on. Because a lot of times if you're just shooting digital and, oh, maybe I'll shoot a film shot here, then you're kind of comparing the two. One of them doesn't measure up to the other one. You're not putting your full intent into just one kind of shooting, one kind of camera. That's what I'm thinking about today. That's what I sort of arrived at when I looked at these images. This is my favorite camera of all time, and I've talked about it a lot. There is something special about these M film cameras. I like the M digital cameras. I've used them quite a bit. I don't own one, but this guy goes with me everywhere. I've got this simpler strap on here. It's been on here for about a decade. It's been on 5 or 6 continents now. It's pretty worn down. I freaking love this thing. Look, a lot of people more talented than me have written about New York City, talked about New York City, and photographed this city. Look, a lot of people have made their artistic bones in this city. There is something magical about it. All these people compressed into a relatively small area, these towering buildings, crowds on the street, the smells, the sounds, the atmosphere. It is a special place. subways. I would like to come here and live here for a month, and I could spend the whole month down in the subways just traveling around. I wish I had shot more film down in the subways. It's what I'm gonna do next time. I think using maybe different kinds of film, maybe slightly faster film, maybe some different lensing. I am hungry to come back down in the subway and explore and just see what I get. I've been shooting a lot more film lately and a lot more with the M6, and I'm gonna continue that trend. And what I like about this kind of a trip, just 2 days, I wasn't precious about anything. I'm just taking quick snapshots. The M allows you to do that. So I missed a few shots, but when you nail it, it feels more special. I tend to like the shots better, and sometimes you get shots that are just plain magical. I'm not saying any of these are, but overall, after just letting these sit on a hard drive for a few weeks and then coming back to them, I'm pretty happy overall with the scope of this work. I want to do more. I'm hungry for more New York City. And next time that I go, I'm gonna have a very specific mission, and I hope I don't have to wait very long for that. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again real soon. Take care.